Hello guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to check out the Guyker new Lock and Tune series called Dopamine. They reached out to me and they were kind enough to send me a pair to try and also let me customize the colors, so thanks Guyker for the support. My intention is to mount the Lock and Tuners on the Ibanez Iceman Ponstelli signature because I really like the purple in contrast with the silver sparkle, and the stock tuners are in chrome, so I must say that they are really beautiful. They really feel solid to the touch and they don't feel cheap at all. So let's mount these locking tuners. First of all, we have to remove the strings, and in the meantime let's give the body and the fretboard a good clean. I use the Ernie Ball polish and the Dunlop Ultimate Lemon Oil. Let's remove the old stock tuners. And let's install the new Guyker locking tuners. They have these 3 small teeth. You have to press them well so they stick well into the wood and so they don't move at all. So here's the beauty of the locking tuners. Simply unscrew, insert the string, screw, tune and cut the excess. Simply as that. Repeat the process for all the strings. And let's try this out.